after breast cancer treatments, the neck and shoulders get very tight, also can affect the posture. In this video, we're going to do stretches to help you with the recovery of your breast area. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to bring your neck to your shoulder and you hold it there for 30 seconds. Sorry, go back to center. Now to the other side. Use your hand to help the neck to go to the side and hold it. Go back to center. With your hand, you're going to bring the head down, like you want to see to your opposite hip, and you are going to hold it for 30 seconds. Now we go to the other side. Put your hand on your head. You look at your elbow and you're going to look down like you want to see your opposite hip and hold it 30 seconds. Sorry. The next one, you're going to put 2 fingers on your chin. It's not about bringing the chin down, it's bringing it back. So we stretch these muscles that get so much tension. So you do this. Like that. 30 seconds. And 30. Next one, going to stretch this part of your muscles that are tight, like a squeezing shoulder blades. Squeeze and hold it 30 seconds. This muscle is very important because it's called the platysma, and this muscle is the one that's going to help the breast to go up. Contract this muscle like this, 30 seconds. Sorry, bravo. You can do it every day. It's going to help to improve the healing. It's going to help the tissue to start becoming more elastic. And because it's a stretch, all will help you to relax the whole body. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time with more videos. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.